In today's video, we're taking a look at a tool that promises to make eye-catching ad videos in minutes, even if you don't own a camera or even know how to edit. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in this video, we're going to look at Creative AI, which is a platform designed to turn product pages into viral style advertisements with the help of AI. So you're going to learn exactly what this tool does, how it works, and we're going to walk through how you can actually start from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know if this could be your secret weapon for marketing without the hassle of traditional video production. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Creative AI? It's essentially an online platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate marketing videos based on simple inputs. Instead of filming yourself or hiring a production team, you pretty much just provide a link to your product page, a few images, or a short description of what you're selling. The system analyzes information from your product pages, images, headlines, descriptions, and even customer reviews, and then uses that info to build a storyboard. They even create a simple narrative that can highlight your product's core benefit. You can choose from different formats like square, vertical, or widescreen, depending on where you plan to use the video. Overall, it's built to streamline ad creation and just make video marketing way more accessible. Now let's dive into some of the key features. One of the biggest features of Creative AI is its ability to turn a product page into a ready-to-publish ad. You paste your product link and the system automatically pulls images, descriptions, and key selling points. It then builds a script around that information, and from there you get a full storyboard with visuals, transitions, overlays, and captions all done in minutes. It also includes a built-in voiceover generator, so you can choose from a variety of realistic AI voices with different tones and styles. Whether you want a casual, friendly vibe or something more polished, the platform times the narration to match the visuals for you. You can always upload your own audio as well, but the AI voices are surprisingly natural and can just save you a ton of time. The platform gives you plenty of customization options if you want to tweak things, so you can adjust colors, fonts, pacing, music, and text overlays to fit your branding. Even though the tool handles most of the heavy lifting, you can go scene by scene and make small changes if you want a bit more control. Another standout feature is the ability to generate multiple ad variations. So with just a few clicks, you can produce different versions, highlighting different benefits, pain points, or even call to actions. Also, everything runs in your browser, so there's no software to install. Your projects live in the cloud, which also makes it super easy for collaboration. And if you work with a team or clients, you can share drafts, leave comments, and update scenes in real time. Creative AI also includes a library of AI avatars you can add to your ads. These avatars act as on-screen presenters and can bring a more human feel to your video without you needing to actually be on camera. You can choose different looks, personalities, and tones to match your audience. The call to action editor is also a really helpful feature. You can create custom end screens that encourage viewers to shop now, visit your site, or maybe even use a discount code. The system automatically will match the timing and style so it blends naturally into your ad. And lastly, the analytics dashboard tracks how your ads perform. You can see watch time, engagement, drop-off points, and which variation performs the best. If you don't already have an account, you actually can get started with our exclusive link down in the description below. Okay, so what you're going to go ahead and do is click try now for free. You can go ahead and get signed up with Google, or you can use another email. So we'll enter in our full name, go ahead and add our email, and then we'll enter in a password. So then once you are all logged in, you're going to go ahead and see the dashboard. You want to click the option to create a new ad, and then from there you can select your format, so vertical, square, or widescreen. Then all you have to do is paste your product page link or upload images and write a short description. Then what you'll do is go ahead and choose a template that fits the tone that you're aiming for. So you want to customize fonts, backgrounds, music, and color to match your branding. Then all you have to do is go ahead and click generate to let AdCreative go ahead and assemble the ad. You want to watch the preview and adjust scenes, pacing, or visuals if you need to. Then you'll just export the final video in the format that you need. Then go ahead and download or publish it directly to your platforms. Once you've created your first ad, you can easily duplicate it and produce variations by swapping out templates, rewriting the hook, or adjusting your call to action. They really do make it super simple. Okay, now let's talk about the pros and cons so you can decide if this is a good platform for you. On the positive side, it makes video marketing feel a lot more doable for people who don't have editing skills. You don't need to worry about filming, lighting, audio, or scripting. The platform takes care of all of the technical technical pieces, and the user-generated style formats often perform well because they feel more natural and less like traditional ads. Speed is another major advantage. Traditional video production can take days or weeks, where AdCreative lets you generate multiple ad variations in a single afternoon. This is especially helpful if you're testing different messages or need to launch ads quickly for a promotion. The balance between automation and customization is also a huge plus. You can let the AI do its thing or fine-tune specific scenes if you want more control, and the analytics dashboard gives you real-time data on how each version performs. You can make smart decisions instead of guessing. Cloud-based storage is also so convenient, so you can work on it from anywhere and collaborate with your team members without passing files back and forth. And because the avatars and voiceovers are very customizable, you can adapt your ads to speak to different audiences without recreating everything from scratch. There are some downsides though, and because AdCreative does rely on templates, the output can sometimes feel formulaic. So if you have a product that requires a very unique creative direction, you might need to put in extra effort or mix in your own footage. Another limitation is that AI generated videos can sometimes look similar to other ads made with the same tool. So if many people in your niche do use AdCreative, you'll want to customize your visuals more to avoid blending in. Okay, now let's take a look at the different plans and pricing options. So again, you can see if this is a good tool for you. So they have a starter, professional, and then ultimate plan. And it depends on how many credits you would like. So I'm going to go through the lowest amount of credits on each plan, but just note that if you are needing more credits, the cost may increase a bit. So for the starter plan is $20 per month, and that is with their Cyber Monday discount. Their regular monthly amount is $39 per month. If you want to pay quarterly, it's also $20 per month. Okay, so just again, I want to make sure that when you are coming in here and picking the plan that you have all the information. And with this plan, you get 10 credits, 1 brand, and then 1 user, and then everything else is unlocked. Then with the professional plan, this is $249 per month. With that, you get 50 credits, 10 brands, and 10 total users. Again, if you needed 75 credits, it would increase. And then lastly is the ultimate plan. So with this ultimate plan, you get 100 credits per month. This is $999 per month. If you snag the Cyber Monday discount, it's pretty much cut in half, so it's $500 per month. With this, you get 100 credits, 25 brands, and 20 total users. What's cool is it can just grow with you. You can always start with the starter plan and then move up from there. So is AdCreative AI for you? This is a solid option for you if you're an entrepreneur, online store owner, and marketing team who really wants to produce polished ads quickly without learning complicated editing software. If you're juggling multiple tasks and want a simple way to generate ad content, this tool is just going to make your workflow so much easier. It's also great for agencies managing multiple clients because you can quickly produce variations and test different angles without starting from scratch. However, if you do prefer full creative control or your brand depends on a very specific artistic style, the templates may feel a bit limiting. Businesses that need long-form storytelling or advanced motion graphics may get more value from traditional editing tools. The best way to know if it's right for you is to try and create a few test ads. If the platform saves you time and the results align with your brand, it's definitely worth the investment. If not, you might prefer a more hybrid approach that mixes AI with manual editing. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to figure this stuff out on your own, but you have to start somewhere. Even one step in the right direction by getting signed up with a free trial is a great first step. If you want to try it out for yourself, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you master AI tools and digital creativity with clear, friendly explanations. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.